Because ZSeth Diamond, man.
What do you want me to do?
We're grabbing it and going over.
Okay. Yeah.
Work. Hold it. It doesn't know what to do.
Alright, stop. Alright, come on.
What are you doing, man? Steps. I go.
Oh crap. Stop. Turn. Turn.
Right here. God, you're an idiot. I almost tripped over your shoes.
It's okay.
Alright,
No.
Oh, it just popped off. That's mercury.
Oh god.
Fuck.
What do you do?
It just popped up. Put that thing back on the blue thing.
What do you know about fixing the thermostat?
What do you know about?
I saw how it came off. Push it. Don't break the mercury so
Oh,
you
great.
don't die.
Oh, this is safe.
All your landlords, that's a problem. Why is it getting shiny?
So fucked.
Fuck, we're all gonna die. Yeah, what's up? Say your mom's so a dirty hoe.
Maybe we completely broke it.
Where's all of hair?
I don't.
Yeah, we broke it completely.
Oh, you idiot! It's so stupid. Why the fuck would
What
you
the
like?
fuck? We like tapped it.
That's old, that's
There's
why.
all of
Yeah,
hair on
whatever. Just
it.
don't break it.
Not surprised.
Probably
It was
means the
like.
thermostat's not working.
Hey, dude, we should probably get masks for all this dust. Like,
God, bro.
like open the window.
I don't feel safe with this.
Dude, don't. You're probably not fucking electricity.
Dude, look at that. It's
Fuck tits.
Oh my god.
I'm sure your mom will.
Push down and hold to release lock.
And if she asks whose fault it is.
next.
Shut the fuck up, bitches. Okay.
Dude, we completely broke it. You can't even rotate it to make it change the temperature.
Well, just leave it.
I have to turn the fan off. That's great.
Seth, how do you open your window? It's confusing.
God, you're an idiot. Just 'cause you're fucking weird.
It's hella confusing, bro. No, dude, there's a lock. Dumbass.
Where?
Right there. How do you unlock the window so we can get fresh air? Because there's all this
Oh,
dust.
let me do it.
Move. Maybe turn a light on.
There's no lights in here. Where's my lights?
Wiener.
Where are my lights?
No.
Alright, stop messing with things. You told me not to fiddle with your shit. Why are you fiddling with mine?
Payback.
Alright, so
Here, lift that side up.
let's get this out.
It's a roof.
You got it, Nick. You got it.
What the hell is this? What is this?
I ripped that off because I wanted my cat to go into there. That's what my cats did when I went to my dad's house. They like made their own little
You got it,
house.
Nick. You got it.
I just don't want to hit his shit.
You got it. You got it.
Like, here, whatever.
Just go.
I just don't want to hit your like wall here and knock everything over.
Don't worry. You got it. You got it.
You can do it.
Alright, where's this?
Straight. Keep on going straight. You're such an idiot. Just go straight.
China.
Well, watch out for the shoes. You might trip.
There's magnets.
Dick.
More
Just go in
shoes.
the bathroom and use this.
No.
Socks. I have boxer
Alright, so
crackers.
what are we gonna do here?
I was a cracker.
What's up?
I'm just laughing at how dirty my room. Oh, there's one of my old phones. Awesome. Okay, let's take this thing apart.
Okay, look what we got. Oh yes, there are some oh, what do we got? We got some shoes, some bottles, a spoon, whatever that is. Bottles, massive DVD and hat collection. What?
Did you take a deck of my cards or
No.
that's yours?
What? In my
Is that
bag?
the wrench you brought?
Yeah, that's one of the crushing wrenches. What are you talking? You don't know how to use it, knucklehead.
Try to get it.
No.
PVR. I'm not kidding.
Inside there.
Alright, no. Let's see if Nick can do it.
Let's do it.
Nick, show us how you do it. Show us how you
Nick,
do it.
it's all you. Good luck.
Yeah, it's all you. Let's go.
Break
let's see
it.
you do it.
Wait, in here?
No, right in there.
How the fuck am I?
Exactly.
You didn't tell me it was inside instead of outside.
How do you get the screw?
What the fuck? How the fuck do you get that? You don't! Seth, are you joking?
Oh, you know what you need? I have it at my house.
Yeah, you can have, there's a,
Can we just rip it apart?
do you want to break your
Do
bed?
you have a
Yeah.
Phillips?
Are you
We're
sure?
getting a new bed frame.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
So you destroy this shit?
Yes.
Oh, we'll get a sledgehammer from the house.
Go get a sledgehammer.
Wait,
Not even
actually,
kidding.
sure you want to destroy it?
Yes.
Dude, this is gonna make
It's the
a
only way
dope
you can get it
video.
out of here.
No, you can take it apart.
With what?
Do you have Phillips? A Phillips screwdriver?
All that's gonna do is take this piece of wood off.
Yeah, I know, but to start,
No, it's
and
not.
then you
We
can
put
take
those there.
also this shit off too, somehow.
Hey, no, I'm gonna get a sledgehammer. Just don't break it without me, okay?
Whatever,
Yeah.
fine.
I'm gonna get a sledgehammer. Here,
Start cleaning the outside.
no, start taking off these. Here, I have a screwdriver in here. Start.
Here, you want me to show Amber my hat clutch?
Can I just like stomp on it and break it?
Hats that I never wear.
No.
I don't. Go ahead, jump on it. I'll hurt you. You'll probably get a bunch of splinters.
I have to do it right.
Seth, start undoing it. Don't. Oh, Seth, Ben, stop. Just
Yeah, he's
unscrew
gonna
it.
hurt himself.
Just unscrew it.
Yeah.
Just unscrew
We
it.
will. Okay.
Oh, so there is a Phillips. See, there is a Phillips.
I know there are Phillips.
So what?
Okay, move the hat. Yep, Seth, move everything else up
Alright,
there.
fine. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. I just can't see because it's like
Okay.
fucking dark in here. That's why.
There's no lights
Why
in
don't you
here.
have any light?
I took them all out. Wow. Get out of here. Come on, Ben. Jim every
It's
day.
lefty loosey right
Righty,
side.
tighty,
Oh my
lefty,
God.
loosey.
So that's
Seth.
this way.
Make sure, are you sure it's cool with your mom?
Yeah.
100%.
100%. 100%. I called her to ask her to pick up a new bed for me. Oh my god, you're actually doing it, man. These are instructions for my alarm clock.
Awesome.
Would you like to hold them?
No, I'm good.
It's warm.
Alright. What's this? You put this in.
There's so many water bottles.
Yeah. Oh my god. What are these? Oh, these are my allergies. I ripped the laces off. That's why I don't wear them.
Why don't you just get a new replacement?
I have a whole box full. I just was too bored to re-string them, I guess. I don't know.
It's two.
There's so much dust in here.
Do you ever clean your room?
Yeah, like once every 3 months. Maybe.
Maybe.
What am I stepping on? Here, okay, we can do this faster. I guess.
Wow, fuck. I sent myself good.
Nice.
Dude, isn't this guy hella scary?
Yeah.
What kind of person has scissors as hand?
Have you seen that?
Yeah, I saw the movie. Well, I didn't see the whole thing, but it's hella scary. Though. Seriously, that guy was like fucking freak. Seth, I'm surprised you can sleep at night
Wow.
with this frame over your head.
Frame over my head.
This guy right here, bro.
Scissor hands.
What?
Oh, so you can do it faster. You got a head start.
I'm using the world's oldest screwdriver known to man.
No excuses. I'm not even looking down.
You can't even tell if I'm unscrewing it.
Oh, what up?
Oh, what up? I don't think I'm unscrewing it.
Here.
I don't know how long it's been done.
So I finished. Alright, cool. Give it to Amber and now.
And now Amber can stand there while I take my foot.
Yeah, bro, you need to clean this part of the room. I think you should vacuum it too. There's a bunch of stains everywhere.
That's gross.
Yeah.
Nazis.
What?
Hey, I remember reading this book.
You know
Animal
what
Farm. Movie notes. Winston Churchill.
Hey,
No.
Seth, you got a spoon in here too.
What?
You got a spoon in here too.
I gotta do what?
You got a spoon in here too. Spoon. Alright.
All of 4th and 5th
Oh,
grade,
so
I
dusty.
played the snort and bass drum. When middle school started, the drums weren't interesting anymore.
Is the cat inside?
Yeah, she's right here. Nah, I'm
You
serious.
serious?
I don't know.
What are you looking at? Oh god.
You wrote a story and she's reading it.
After half a year passed, I decided that I wanted to try the guitar. Luckily, one of my mom's clients was a guitar teacher. I took guitar for a good 2.5 years, going through 3 different guitars and the sorts of different types of guitaring. My freshman year, I didn't want to play anymore, so I took a break for a while. About a year passed and I then started self-teaching piano, and that's what I've been doing since.
You play piano, Seth? That's cool.
In general, I love all types of music. I like the different sounds, whether they're... That's not even a word. Okay.
It's probably Nick.